ALAW's a great opportunity. It's almost like an organization, even though it's an annual event.
You got to be here, no doubt about it. If you want to be in the laser community, ALAW is the gate. It is the doorway to the laser community, no doubt about it.
For anyone who's thinking about attending ALAW, I think it's a good value for the price of admission because of the comprehensiveness of the experts that are accumulated here. I think there's a lot of opportunities to learn all facets of laser manufacturing.
Well, there is no greater conference in North America or the world other than ALAW that provides such scope. You see cutting, you see welding, drilling, marking.
I would say if you are heavily involved in the laser industry, that this is the place for you to be.
The networking opportunities are unrivaled with the vendors, suppliers, and customers all in one area.
And the networking opportunities here to get a sense of what's going on in the industry.
There are a lot of experts here and a lot of willingness to share information.
Well, it has to be the same energy. I really hope that we can build on it and build something even better next year. And I think it's a great platform to do that.
Well, we see ALAW as a great opportunity to expose our products to this community.
And I was pleasantly surprised by the depth and amount of vendors and customers that were here. It's quite fascinating.
Incredibly comprehensive accumulation of experts in the field of laser metal processing.
And we get the most bang for our buck as far as from displaying and being here to talk about products from ALAW itself.
Cutting-edge technology provided by not only the domestic manufacturers but the Germans as well. So I'm never disappointed when I come out here for the conference.
Yeah, and we really appreciate FMA. You guys do a tremendous service to the industry, and we're very proud to be a part of all of this.